Welcome to America's Best Value in Greeley, a comfortable and budget-friendly 2-star hotel located in Evans, Colorado. Perfect for travelers looking for convenience and essential amenities, this hotel offers easy access to local attractions and nearby universities. Guests can enjoy a variety of facilities including a seasonal outdoor swimming pool, a game room with billiards and ping pong, and a relaxing picnic area with barbecue facilities. Hotel highlights: checkmark free Wi-Fi in all guest rooms. Checkmark cable TV, microwave, and refrigerator. Checkmark comfortable seating area and work desk. Checkmark game room with billiards and table tennis. Checkmark seasonal outdoor pool. Checkmark picnic and barbecue area. Checkmark on-site vending machines for snacks and drinks. The hotel is conveniently located near several attractions including the Freight Train Museum, only 4.8 kilometers away, and the University of Northern Colorado, just a short drive from the property. Guests can also visit the nearby Evans City Museum, located within walking distance. Round pushpin location: 831st Street, Evans, Colorado, 80620, USA. Sparkles. Book your stay today through the booking.com link in the description to get the best available rates.